Welcome to Mishnah study Masachet Shevuot Perek Gimel Mishnah. Hey, over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss what someone can swear about, right? So there are different things we said in the beginning, right? She'ochal, she'lo ochal, right? I will eat. So he's talking about himself. What if a person speaks about others? Could he swear about other people? Does it have to be something that's tangible? Could it be something that's intangible? That's going to be our Mishnah. So echad devarim shel atzmo ve'echad devarim shel achirim. Whether he swears about himself or he swears about others. We'll elaborate. Ve'echad devarim sheyesh b'hem mamash ve'echad devarim she'en b'hem mamash. Right? Things that are tangible and things also that are not so tangible. Ketzad, how so? So how is something that's about others? Amar Shevuot she'eten leish peloni v'shelo eten. Right? I swear I'm going to give this to to this person. I'm not going to give it to so and so. Shenatati v'shelo natati. I gave it to him. I didn't give it to him. Right? That's something that is dvarim shel achirim. Or let's say things that are not tangible. She'ishan v'shelo yishan. I will sleep or I won't sleep, right? These are things that are non-tangible. She'ashanti v'shelo yashanti. I slept, I didn't sleep. She'ezrok tzro layam v'shelo ezrok. She'zarakti v'shelo zarakti. Right? Or things that just have no consequences. Like there's no point to it. I'm going to throw a stone into the sea. I won't throw a stone. I threw a stone. I didn't throw a stone. Right? All these things, right? Future and past, right? Are all a person can swear about them. To be Shema, right? This is a Shevuot bitui that we're talking about. Rabbi Ishmael Omer, Eno Hayav Ela Le'atid Lavo. Rabbi Ishmael argues in the beginning of the Mishnah and says, no, it's not past tense and future tense. You can only swear about something in the future. Shne'emar, lehara or lehetiv. Pasuk says, in order to do something bad or in order to do something good. Right? That's in the future. So Amar lo Rabbi Akiva imken, in the eladvarim sheyesh b'hem hara'a ve'atava. If you're going to be that literal, then say if you only do something that's going to be good or bad. Right? That's what the Pasuk is talking about. So at least if you're going to be literal, take it the whole way. How do you know it's something that's not good or it's not something that's not going to be bad, right? How do you know to include it as well? Amar lo because the pasuk is also inclusive, right? What's the pasukim? So it says, if someone wants to swear, right? And then it says, lehara or lehetiv. Right? So it's limiting it. It opens up with the more general, and then it limits it. And then it says, for anything that a person swears by. Right? So it comes and it is inclusive again. So we're learning from Ribui Hakatuv. That's what Rabbi Ishmael is answering. It's more inclusive. So it's coming to include, right? Things that are bad, not just things that are bad and good. It comes to include anything, but it's still limiting it to future tense. So Amar Lo Rabbi Akiva answers, if you're coming to be inclusive, to include other things that aren't just bad and good, so also include the past as well as the future. What's in essence, the mahloket between them? So there's a way to understand. There's different midot Torah nidreshet bahem. Right? They learn the Torah by. One is more famously the klal upratu klal. And you also have ribui mi'ut v'ribui. And it's basically if you have a general law and something more specific and then something more general. So if you learn it, now there's two ways of learning it. You can either learn it as a klal pratu klal, right? Which is what Rabbi Ishmael learns. So it's more limiting in its understanding, right? You only include a minimum amount of inclusions. So he only includes the hara, only, just not hara lo ativ. He also includes, other types of swears as well, but he's not going to go as far as extending it to the past tense. Rabbi Akiva learns it not as a klal pratu klal, but he learns it as ribui mi'ut v'ribui. Okay, and that's much more inclusive. So he's not just going to include things that aren't only lehara or le'ativ. He's going to include also different, different tenses, not just the future tense, also the past tense. Right, that's how the Gemara understands this. And halacha is like Rabbi Akiva, right? That it comes to include also past and future tense.